In a significant move towards addressing the pressing issues faced by the newly formed Union Territory of Ladakh, apex body Leh convened an important meeting with representatives from BJP Ladakh. The meeting was attended by key figures including Chief Executive Councillor LHDC Leh Advocate Tashi Gelson, BJP UT President Funsok Stenzin, BJP Ladakh General Secretary PT Kunzung and others. The primary focus of the discussions was to deliberate on several crucial issues affecting Ladakh, particularly the urgency of resuming dialogue between the Ministry of Home Affairs, the apex body, and the Kargil Democratic Alliance. In a significant effort to enhance community hygiene and environmental awareness, the Jamiat ul Ulma Isna Asharia Kargil Ladakh executed a successful one-day cleanliness drive across Kargil leading up to the observance of Arbin-e-Hussaini. This initiative saw enthusiastic participation from students, religious clerics, and local residents, all working towards a common goal of maintaining a pristine environment. A mock exercise on GLOF disaster was successfully conducted in subdivision Sanku at Teseru Chilung Nala. The mock drill was led by subdivisional magistrate Sanku Askar Ali, who along with a team of other officers monitored the exercise. The drill was conducted at a GLOF disaster vulnerable site to enhance preparedness measures and synergy among all the concerned departments to deal with any eventuality effectively, ensuring minimum damage to people who may be affected due to the sudden occurrence of natural calamities. District Program Officer Kargil Nargis Banu along with CDPO Zanskar Tashi Gurmeet, Senior Assistant ICDS Kargil Supervisors, District Mission Coordinator, Gender Specialist DHEW Kargil, District Coordinator DPMU Kargil and Block Coordinators concluded a thorough 3-day visit to Zanskar. The visit covered key areas including the aspirational blocks of Karsha, Zangla, Padum, Testa, Itcher and Lugnak region, extending to the last village of Zanskar, Kargyak village and Anganwadi centers from Rangdum area to Teseru block. Deputy Commissioner CEO LHDC Kargil Shrikant Bisu Se chaired a meeting to review the arrangements ahead of 9th edition of Ladakh Zanskar Festival, to be held from September 13 to 14. SSP Kargil, Shri Ram R. Additional Deputy Commissioner Kargil, CPO, SE, PWD, STM Zanskar, CMO, and other officers attended the meeting. A threadbare discussion was held on various aspects of the arrangements related to the successful conduct of the 2-day festival, and various decisions were taken in the meeting.